Ka Shillong Law College Women's Cell Lingba ka Internal Quality Assessment Committee IQAC kalapanlong da kajingele ka surok ni street play halor ki kam thambor persha ya ki kenthei bat ki an ki balong maria ringkat hapring ki kenthei bat shinrang ya ka jingele ka surok lapanlong hadhan keti ha kalai potrik yayong kabala shimbenta da ki samla puli jong kanika college ka Dr. Mrina Lina Karshiying, Vice Principal Shillong Law College, kalayat hu baya ka ni ka jingile ka, lapenlong shibenta ka jingile ka man ya ka Diamond Jubilee, halor ka pang, celebrating our legacy, inspiring our future.
Ningkong ni organize kini ka program na marba ni celebrate ya ka Diamond Jubilee celebration jingil kanong September. Tingi semua pemba nga convener from Women's Cell. Tingi semua ba ni JI awareness program na abortion support. Di ang kapag ni hawa man ay awareness ba kibon man tam ni pet kada sexual harassment in workplace nang tapos cybercrime kadon di domestic violence di kerja mah di imlang salang di jong di naktakadaw ni students jong ni dakani ka awareness program bagi brio kinyo ka information ken ka kajingtep ka bakam niya tumno siya ibikin let di kalong kai kabadan kam hakini gipot kam tam social media haki ki spread ki videos nang pictures di naktakadaw ki habat ay ka awareness ya ka ki public kum haki ki ya ki surok no ki singkin ki ya ki surok kinyo ang kita awareness dating kim tips ibikin let kim yo ay kataga jing siyamphang na ibig kay kandi ka kidan kum kita kian ki banyadaya ki di naka Women's Cell nakatadaw ni organize kini ka awareness program ho kidan mo ki kept ni si legal awareness kidan ba kim tip siya ibigin file mo kita ki cases ki complaints ting ki so kumba ki kileran ting mo banwan siya kamat di hadin kanu ko banay show di snem ru ki wan ban approach mo ki authorities kum ki police magistrate mo di nakatakadaw ki ka support kanya ki begin file sometimes ka ki report na ki ban file complete di nakatakadaw long ka awareness ro ko badan kamha ya ki kana amanta kamtam ki kana ki kantay barang samla kadno ki sha abuse mo idan ki rape cases di nakatakadaw ki kumiyay kini ko awareness program ka ay lahat ki ba siya ibikin let beginum siya tiyan ken ki wan siya kamat namar ba kanang bagin ti lakam ni kiniki kambe bamban kambe an hoat ka ya katati hoat lang ka say swap ha namar ba tiktik siya sunong kandong kamtap mo ida ay legal awareness ka ting ki sutu bakla ting ki ong ba ki da file FIR di ka mo ki haban siu bisa kat no ki tip mo long ka hamrem di kamde pinta mo di ni ay awareness program ki FIR ki bill nang tapade long ki kibun ki arrest mo ni ay kita ki jingtip mo siya ki kanang bakin tip ba kumno ka procedure kaya ti ting kim tip ti ki belong ki basic information about law ki gila ban ay ki basic information siya ibakin let ada ka jakum kita ki kambam bian
yes ngap yaran ban sakhi lingba kapor batna yang ni Hentep ya ka hak ka jangpi Koslang kopat na toy na fi snap yawan ban sakhi lingba kapor batna yang ni hentep ya ka hak ka jangpi
The subject of the play is violence in public spaces that women face in day-to-day lives. The performance aims to highlight the need to increase reporting of harassment and abuse which goes unreported. The play further attempts to educate the audience on various forms of violence.
We want justice. Perthai bai serkai ki kam pentrim ki chia kha kha jing tham bagi kan rei ya ki khna hoi sur shidur ya jing shi sur shidur akim kan snat ai rumo githei ki sharing dur aklam jing bit hano hoi ki ki an baring kalang sabya kahok baki dawa hoi ki
I want justice.
Justice? Justice for what?
I've been suffering for a very long time. My rights are being violated. I need protection.
I don't seem to understand. Are the rights of women even equal to men?
Are you even aware of the rights that are provided for women?
All laws are for women. All laws are for protection of women. You don't even know how many laws are there for the protection of women.
What are you saying? Is it a fact?
Yes, of course. We want justice.
Have you ever thought about us men? We don't have any special right to protect us.
Rights? Why do even men need protection? Why do they need protection? You're men.
Look at me. I have been abused and people take advantage of me. And I have faced domestic violence at home. Where do we go? And where do we go? Us men.
we won we won we won ngintip dayakan lagan thay te bat simrang kahok bayaring kat amday ba kan the siliang hoi go
Gender neutral laws are the way forward. Equality has to be achieved among men and women. Violence is faced by everyone regardless of gender. The need of the day is to bring equality among all and no innocent whatsoever be the gender be punished. And those who try to instill violence in any form should be taken to task.
We won! Justice! We won! Justice! We won! Justice! Watchang te ha kendong ya jing sisa wadam lerang banyo kahok lajong let kendo kiri te bang hoi tetep tiakan nyulakan thay te bat senrang kahok bayaring kad on de ba kan the siliang hoi go we won justice we won justice we won justice we won justice we won justice. Thank you so much.